5 seconds to go. Start. Since the appellant, being an unmarried woman, whose pregnancy arose out of a consensual relationship, was not covered by any of the sub-clauses of Rule 3b of the MTP rules. Stop. The High Court held that, para, the petitioner, who is an unmarried woman and whose pregnancy arises out of a consensual relationship, is clearly not covered by any of the clauses under the medical termination of pregnancy rules, 2003. Stop. Therefore, section 3(2)b of the Act is not applicable to the facts of this case. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner states that Rule 3b of the medical termination of pregnancy rules, 2003 is violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India, 1950, in as much as it excludes an unmarried woman. Stop. Whether such rule is valid or not can be decided only after the said rule is held ultra vires, for which purpose, notice has to be issued in the writ petition and has been done so by this court. Stop. Para. As of today, Rule 3b of the medical termination of pregnancy rules, 2003, stands, and this court, while exercising its power under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, 1950, cannot go beyond the statute. Stop. Granting interim relief now would amount to allowing the writ petition itself. Stop. Para. The order of the High Court gave rise to the present appeal. Stop. Notice was issued on the petition for special leave to appeal on 21st July 2022. Stop. This court, by its order dated 21st July 2022, modified the order of the High Court and permitted the appellant to terminate her pregnancy. Stop. This court passed the following ad interim order, para. In the above background, we pass the following ad interim order, para. We request the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, to constitute a medical board in terms of the provisions of Section 3(2)d of the Act, extracted in the earlier part of this order, during the course of 22nd July 2022, and para, in the event that the medical board concludes that the fetus can be aborted without danger to the life of the petitioner, a team of doctors at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences shall carry out the abortion in terms of the request which has been made before the High Court and which has been reiterated both in the special leave petition and in the course of the submissions before this court by counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Stop. Before doing so, the wishes of the petitioner shall be ascertained again and her written consent obtained after due verification of identity. Stop. Para. Counsel for the petitioner and the respondent stated that a medical board was constituted at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Stop. The board noted that the petitioner had consented to the termination of her pregnancy and the procedure could be undertaken without danger to her life. Stop. The report submitted by AIMS indicates that the termination of the pregnancy was safely carried out. Stop.